and red, and yellow and blue 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 and red.
Oh, I think you've gone all the way round now, Miffy.
I love my new umbrella. I can't wait to show my friends. Oops.
Oh, Miffy, let's put Aunt Alice back on the wall.
Sorry, Mummy.
I know you love your new umbrella, Miffy, but you can't hold it all the time.
Yes, I can. I'm going to show my friends now. Bye, Mummy.
Bye, Miffy. Have fun.
No, Snuffy, you can't play with my umbrella. It's not a stick. Oh, all right, Snuffy. Here you go. Fetch! Oh. Huh. Fetch! Uh-oh. Sorry, Snuffy. I can't reach it. I know. Oh. Oh. Yes. See you later, Snuffy. I'm off to find Melanie and Grunty.
Yeah. Oh. Hello, Miffy.
Hi, Boris. Look.
Oh, I like your umbrella. Such bright colours. But I don't think it's going to rain today.
I know.
I've got lots and lots of apples to pick.
I'll help you, Boris. I can be your apple carrier.
Oh, thank you, Miffy. And I'll be the apple picker.
Thank you. There. Oh, sorry, Boris. I can only carry one at a time.
Oh. Why don't you put that umbrella down, Miffy? It'll make it so much easier.
No, thank you. I want to keep my umbrella with me.
Yeah. Oh, I need more arms. This is a job for an octopus, not a bear. Here, take this one.
Thank you.
Whoa. Oh,
I'll hold a ladder for you.
thank you. Oh, I shouldn't really try to climb down holding so many... Whoa! Apples!
My umbrella caught them.
Well done, Miffy. You know you can fold your umbrella up.
No, I like it like this, Boris. I want to see all the colours.
All right. They are pretty.
Bye, Boris.
Bye, Miffy. And thanks for being my apple carrier.
Ooh, 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 woo, woo. Hello. Hi, Miffy. Look at my new umbrella. You don't need an umbrella, Miffy. It's a sunny day. We're playing balancing. It's a sunny day. We're playing balancing. This is tricky. You try, Miffy. It's fun. Okay. You should put your umbrella down first. It will get in the way. No, it won't. Oh. Wow. Wow, you're really good at balancing. Even with an umbrella. Actually, it helped me. What should we play next? How about catch? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ha. Oh, got it! You need both hands to catch a ball. Your umbrella's in the way. Put it down, Miffy. No, I want to keep holding it. You'll have to play without me. Oh, okay. Oh, come on, Grunty. My guy. Here.
What's the matter, Miffy?
Everyone thinks my umbrella just gets in the way. Maybe I should have left it at home. It isn't any use on a sunny day.
No use? Are you sure, Miffy? Didn't you use it to catch the apples that Boris dropped?
Yes.
And to get Snuffy's stick down when it was stuck?
Yes.
And didn't it help you balance on the log just now?
Yes.
So it has been useful, just not in the way you might expect.
You're right. I think I will keep it after all. Oh, it's raining. Look.
Well, well, using an umbrella to keep dry in the rain? What a clever invention.
Miffy, we need your umbrella. Grunty. Melanie.